Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Friday, October 12th. We do have a couple of announcements for today. So for the first announcement for our October birthdays, so happy birthday to Bryson. I know today's not your birthday, but tomorrow is, so happy birthday to you. And then also, just boys and girls, remember, dress for the weather because it is colder outside, and I know many of you walk to school. So make sure you're wearing at least a hoodie to come to school in so you stay warm while you're waiting outside. For our lunch choices for today, we have Sloppy Joe sandwich, cheese pizza, or a crispy chicken salad with bread. And then I do have 3 students from Mr. Zaremski's class to talk about our pause and bullying for today.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we're still focusing on things what we could do and set up, or if we do notice someone being bullied. So 3 students here are going to give some examples today.
Say stop. Don't pick on people that you don't like. Don't hate about people. And then tell the teacher.
Very good. So very good advice, boys and girls. Thank you very much for that Paul message for today.
Very nice job, boys and girls. Thank you very much. And at this time, let's please take our moment of silence. All right, if you could please stand, please, for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So I have 3 students here from Mr. Zaremski's class to help out with their Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you very much, boys and girls. That was a great performance of the Pledge of Allegiance, so thank you very much. Okay, boys and girls, today is Friday, so let's make sure we make great choices today. I know many classes today might be working on the A and the pause for academic achievement, so make sure you're doing the best that you possibly can on your assessments today. Everybody have a great day.